U-turn.
U-turn. Woo!
Cheers. Good coffee. I've been wanting this mod for a while now, but I know I'm super late for the party, but hey, better late than never, right? All right, let's open it up. Check this out, guys. My new custom yoke steering wheel for my 2023 Model Y from Pimp My EV. So this one right here has perforated black Napa leather all around it with matte carbon fiber both sides and all around the panels. And we have a matching airbag cover with white stitching, but I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to replace the airbag cover with this one. As you can see on the back, Pimp My EV actually uses the Tesla factory OEM steering wheel fitting. As you can see here, the T logo is just like the original Tesla steering wheel. The quality is amazing, not cheap looking like what you see on Amazon or Temu. And I really like it. And like I said, I've been wanting to get this mod for a while now, and I'm very excited. It's gonna be a lot of fun. I feel like a race car driver. All right, no more gangster lean like this. There's a lot of mixed reviews about this yoke, but based on what I've seen on YouTube, they look like a lot of fun to drive. I can't wait to get this installed and experience driving with this yoke steering wheel. I want to give a huge thank you to the amazing team at Pimp My EV for sending this custom yoke steering wheel. I'm excited and I'm also a bit nervous. I've never driven a car with a yoke steering wheel before. All right, so let's go to the garage and get this thing installed. All right, it's time to say goodbye to this old school round steering wheel. All right, so before we do anything, let's open this window right here and leave this door open. So open the passenger door as well, and as well as the window. And then turn off the power for safety, and then power off. All right, the car is off. Here we go. It's time to say goodbye to the round steering wheel. So first thing we're gonna do is we are going to remove the airbag. So there are two holes at the bottom here. We're gonna need a couple of these skinny Allen wrenches or one of these small screwdriver. Okay, I think this one would work. It's gonna fit. Yep. Okay, let's pop this airbag off. What I'm gonna do is gonna push that pin that holding that airbag. Look for it or feel it where that pin is at. All right, there you go. Now it's off. Perfect. Alrighty then. So next step is to remove those two harnesses, one for the airbag and one for the all the controllers. Okay, and you could use one of these long nose pliers. Remove the yellow one first, the yellow harness, and that's for the airbag. Airbag is off. Put that one aside. And then let's do the purple one. All right, easy. And then the next step is to remove that center bolt off. To remove the center bolt off, you're gonna need a 10mm hex bit and an extension. And your wrench. All right, so you're just gonna hold here for leverage. Use your knees to stop the steering wheel from turning. It's kind of hard, But why don't we do this? Just turn the wheel all the way to the left. All right, let's try this. Try this again. Hopefully it works. There you go. Cool. All right, now it's off. Oh, by the way, every time you leave a car and come back, it turns back on, so just be careful. Let's turn it off again. Turn it off. All right, now let's turn it back straight. Now it's kind of push like this to loosen up. Wiggle it a little bit. All right, now it's off. That's it. Easy. Let's go to my workbench and take these guts off and transfer all these onto the yoke steering wheel. All right, let's go. All right, so we're gonna swap out all the components from here to the yoke. So first thing we're gonna do, we are going to remove those 4 screws right here. 1, 2, 3, 4 with T25 bit. Well, I think I'm gonna have to turn it over and take off this part right here. And there are clips holding it together right down here. So let's do that. There you go. Much easier to take off everything. Here you go. Easier. And now you're gonna have to take this harness. I believe this is for the heating. There's like a couple of clips that's holding it together. Just gonna have to pry that thing open there to get that harness out of there. All right, there you go. And then I think I'm gonna use my tweezer to push that pin, get this harness off. There you go. All right, the guts are off. All right, now we have the yoke. Put that one aside and take this panel off. Let's continue. Let's remove this harness right here and the blue one. All right, and for the heating module. There you go. Put this one aside, transfer this thing over. This one already has a clip for the airbag. Looks good. Okay, let's get this thing installed. All right, here we go. Oh, just push it a little bit, wiggle it. And put the center bolt on. Tighten it. All right. Oh, all right, looks good. All right, put the harness back on there. Also, I decided not to use the custom airbag cover. I'm just gonna use the OEM one, and still looks good. All right, so put the yellow harness back on there. And then, whoo, looks good. All right. open glove box. Ooh, all right, so let's go ahead and do a test drive. Let's go. It's so weird, but I like it. Oh my god. This is so cool. Well, backing up is not that bad. And instead of doing like this, no more. All right, okay. Hand over hand. Okay. This just feels weird. All right, let's go around the block. Okay. I mean, this is so cool. Alright. No more gangster lean. Let's turn left here. I guess I can hold it right here while turning left. Okay. Not bad. Alright, let's turn right here. I guess I can hold it like this. Right. I used to do it like this. Right here. I love it. Maybe it takes time to get used to it, but I'm liking it already. And I hope my wife would like it too, because she's the one who's driving this car every day. Cool. I can rest my hand right here. It's more comfortable than, you know, the round one. Guess what? For sharp turns, you could just hold it right here at the bottom. Yep. Yeah, for a long drive, you can just rest up your hands like this, and it feels much better. Let's try a U-turn. Look at that. Not bad. I love it. I love the feel, love the quality. Well, I'm having fun even though it's my first time driving car with a yoke steering wheel. All right, let's go back home and show this to my wife. She's gonna freak out. You know, it's gonna be weird at first, but she's gonna like it. She has no choice. It's already installed. That was fun. Man, I love this yoke.
Oh no, what did you do here? Oh, I'm scared. No. Oh, shoot.
Go.
Oh my god. All right.
How does it feel so far?
Weird. It's weird, but
You'll get used to it.
Go.
It's the same. It's just
I know. There's just nothing here.
half of the steering wheel is missing.
It's gone.
So how does it feel compared to the round steering wheel?
Well, this one's weird right now. This is my first time driving something like this. Just have to get used to it. I mean, it's cool though. It's weird when you're turning because there's nothing here.
That's how you normally drive anyway, right?
What, like this?
Yeah, like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you'll be fine. Well, you have no choice. It's already on there. You're gonna have to get used to it.
I don't drive like you. You drive like this.
Gangsta lean driving. Alright, U-turn.
U-turn. Woo!
What do you think?
I actually like it. Thanks for letting me drive you around. Yeah, I think I will get used to it. It's very fun to drive actually. It's not that bad. I was scared at first.
She approved it. If you're interested in upgrading your Tesla steering wheel, we highly recommend PIMP My EV. They have a wide selection to choose from. If you use the code ELE15 at the link in the description below, you'll receive an additional 15% off your purchase. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have a yoke and either you like it or dislike it, let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.